Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of paying yearly subscriptions just to use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, today's video is for you. We're taking a quick look at the Microsoft Office Professional 2021 Lifetime License on StackSocial now. Here's what stands out with this deal. Instant digital delivery, after purchase Microsoft verified partner, works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. All languages supported, includes updates for the 2021 version. Right now, it's available on StackSocial for $34, which is 84% off the regular $219 retail price. For something you only pay for once and use forever, it's hard to beat. Exclusive StackSocial coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. So if you've been wanting the full Office suite without getting locked into another subscription, this lifetime deal is definitely worth a look. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.